What is going on, guys? Throwing together a quick video. It's been a pretty warm day. Hope to have a carving video for you this weekend. Didn't work out though. Been doing family stuff. Been working on getting that thing right there set up. Got some links to some cool stuff there if you guys need any cool pool filters. We just got a pretty nice one for that unit. On top of that, been working on something really fun with my son on our other channel, Fun with the Halls. It's been a while since we've done stuff on that, but we're kind of bringing it back. Take you guys back, show what we've been working on. So we've been taking down trees, cleaning up the backyard. I still got a ton of work to do. Just got this new pump though. I'm gonna show you what me and Jacob been working on our other channel. But just got this new Hydro Tools pump for an 18-foot pool here. That thing's working like a top. Try to have links down below through Amazon if you guys want to get anything like that. Obviously, you buy through it, helps support us. So normally we're chainsaw carving, right? Just kind of giving you guys a little update. 4th of July weekend. Hope you guys had a good 4th. Hopefully you're having a good weekend. It's coming to an end, right? So we got these guys for free a few months back. Actually, maybe last year, now that I think about it. And we're finally getting into it. Now this is what they look like stock. Razor MX 500 stock. Usually the plastics are bright red with decals to match the handlebars and frame. Whoever owned them before us just kind of left them out. These things got beat. That front rim, that thing is shot, all bent. Rear tires that one's got a little tread. This one's bald. So this is what they look like stock, minus the fitted fenders. Stock, these things will do about 15 mile an hour on the road. They're a 36 volt machine. Now on our other channel, we've been working on some videos. I got to get through and edit them, get them uploaded. They're not up there yet, but they're gonna be real soon. Working on this bike for my son Jacob. So this, we have bought a Kunray, Kunray kit. It goes from 48 volts to 72 volts. If you know what I'm talking about, it's quite a big boost from a 36 volt dirt bike. These are battery powered, right? So they come with 3 lead acid batteries from factory, from Razor. Those were shot. We took them out. We put 4 batteries in, wired it up, so it's 48 volts right now, running off this whole system that we bought from Kunray, right? So we got this motor, there's a kit, like a relay computer sort of thing here, key switch, new throttle over here, 2 modes, 1 and 2, high and low mode. They're both pretty darn fast. Kind of scary for this old boy. But yeah, so then my brother-in-law hooked us up with some RG3 front shocks, this front wheel. We also have a full hydraulic front brake system we still got to install here. Jacob took the time today to sand and paint his handlebars. We also got a Renthal handlebar guard here. That there, if he whacks his head, he's not hitting the metal bars. My brother-in-law also hooked us up with this 270 millimeter shock we're trying out. Makes the bike really high, and Jake would like to be a little bit lower on it, so we're probably going to get a little bit smaller shock, which is nice though. It'll sit lower and we can lower this front end with these real front forks. The forks that come with it are just not adjustable in any manner. They're just there, welded. That's it. You get what you get. I don't know if you can see in here, you got this little tiny baby shock compared to that big gigantic one off the back here, but it's fun nonetheless. Jake got himself a nice little thing here because he could put his phone on here and see how fast he's going. We have had, before the front end and the rear end upgrades, when it looked more like this, but with the new kit, this thing was doing 30. So I mean, it moves. It moves. It can move when it wants to. It's been fun though. It's been an awesome build. If you guys want to see that kind of stuff, check out our other channel, Fun with the Halls. We're going to be doing more stuff like this. I'm going to be doing some review videos on there too, and getting that channel rolling. But this is it. This has been, my week, my 4th of July days off. We've been working on this, been putting a new pool pump in this guy, cleaning up the backyard, trying to turn my backyard into a more, social spot. So we'll see how that goes. But onward and upward into the new week. I've got custom carving orders in the works for some special occasions. I don't really want to announce because I'm pretty sure people watch my channel, but I've got some custom orders. I'm not sure if those videos will be out this week or closer to the end of the month, maybe next month. I do have a video, guys, in the works for members at the new tutorial tier. I'd hope to have it out today, maybe probably Monday or Tuesday I'll have that out. It'll be for people on the new tutorial tier though, who've hit join and joined that. We're gonna be carving up a bear who's gonna have a whole different look to him, a lot of detail, that kind of stuff. Walk you guys through 2 camera angles, step by step, all that good stuff. But that's the plan. As far as videos, for everyone that's hit subscribe, hopefully we'll get some time-lapse stuff in this week, and probably how to carve a basic bear again. That always seems to be the request. Everybody wants a basic bear carving video, so give the people what they want, right? But I hope you guys enjoyed the 4th. Hopefully you had a great weekend, and hopefully this week you're heading into is awesome. Remember, keep gripping and ripping, keep those chains sharp, and wear your PPE. Have an awesome day, guys.